Today we're making Ojos de Dios. You'll need yarn, popsicle sticks, and tape. First I'm going to show you how to put the sticks together. I like to use a little piece of tape, tear it down the middle. It needs to be skinny. You could also use a glue dot, or you could hot glue them together. For this, I'm just going to use tape. The yarn will cover up the tape eventually, and the yarn will also hold the sticks together if the tape comes loose. So that's how I made it. You can slide it to make a plus sign. We don't want it to make it look like a cross, we want it more like a plus sign. So here's one I've done, back into a plus sign. Now we're going to tie it on using a diagonal in between the two sticks. We're going to make a loop, pull it through, pull it tight. This is a square knot. Make another loop, stick the end through, and pull it tight. You can either cut off that end, or you can leave it on and just hold it with your thumb. In the middle we're going to make a cross. We're going to make an X, so we're going to do wrap around 3 times diagonally, or 4, as many as you want, and then we're going to turn the popsicle sticks and make the X in the middle of our popsicle sticks. Wrap it around 2 or 3 times. If you wrapped it around 5 times the first time, then do the exact amount 5 times the second time. Now we're going to start our pattern. I'm going around, over, under, to the next popsicle stick. Over, under, turn to the next popsicle stick. Over, under, turn. Over, under, turn. Hear that pattern? We want to lay it right next to the other yarn that we just laid down. Over, under, turn. Lay it right next to it, not on top, right next to it, so it lays flat. Over, under, turn. Over, under, turn. We turn it over. This is the middle of the Ojos de Dios, the eye. We want that to look nice and pretty. That is the front part of our Ojos de Dios. We're working from the back. You could also use another pattern that's over, under. We're doing under, over, under, over, under, over, turn, over, under, over, turn. If you make a mistake, unwrap it, go back one, and do the pattern again. You want to stay with the pattern that you start with, so it looks flat at the end on the other side. Over, under, turn, over, under, turn. Keep going. Now in a few minutes I will show you how to change the color if you like. I do have a multicolored yarn that will automatically change, but for this we're going to unwrap a few popsicle sticks there, and we're going to put this together and make a loop, stick the end through, and pull it tight. There we go. Now we check our piece and we start right back where we left off. Under, over, turn. Now those little pieces just can go on the back side. We can hold those out of the way or move them out of the way. Under, over, turn, under, over, turn. And we complete this pattern. Whoops, I made a mistake. Go back, under, over, turn. And we just keep going until we've filled up the sticks, or we like it the way it is. We can just stop when we have enough of that color. If you want to change colors again, you can do that as well. just going to keep with that pattern. Make sure that it lays flat next to the piece of yarn that you laid down before. There you go. At any time, if you flip it over and you see that you don't like what it looks like, unwrap it and try again. Perseverance. I'm getting to the part, I think I'm just about done. You don't have to use popsicle sticks, you can always use sticks from the yard if you'd like. Now here I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to leave a tail so that I can easily tie a knot. Wrap it around, stick it through the hole and pull it tight. I'm going to do that a second time. Wrap it around, stick it through that circle and pull it tight. And sometimes I like to take those little ends that I tied the two colors together, and I'm going to make a square knot here as well. And then I don't want those to stick out, so I'm going to clip those off. Now I want something to hang my Ojos de Dios, so a simple paper clip, bend it out, and we can stick it easily through the yarn pieces and hang it up. Oh, there's another piece. Let's snip that off, make it nice and flat. That looks so pretty. Put our paper clip on the back. And we are finished. That's the front. Here's what the back looks like. And the side. And you are done. Thanks for crafting our Ojos de Dios with us today.